Hi, my name is Mary Malone of Coldwell Banker Realty and the Luxe Service Group. Today I have our team member, Tracy Fawcett, with us. Hello, Tracy. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you, and thanks for taking the time to chat with me.
So I have a question for you. After 27 years in public education, what made you decide to take the leap into the wild world of real estate?
Oh, well, thanks for asking. So I did see a parallel there between the world of education and real estate. As an educator, I was able to help the learning process, of course, by breaking down sometimes complicated steps and advocating for the students. And I feel again that there is a crossover from that into the real estate arena.
I 100% agree. My previous profession was a high school English teacher, and I love bringing my experience from education to real estate as well. Tracy, what schools in New Jersey did you teach at and what grade levels?
Oh, that's a super question. So again, it's hard to believe it was across the 27 years, but if I go back in time here, beginning in 1997, I embarked over in Mendham Township in Morris County. I was there for 10 years, which again is super hard to believe. After my time there, I ventured to Bridgewater, and specifically I was at the Milltown School, and I rounded out my 27 years in Alexandria Township in Pittstown, specifically at what was then the Alexandria Township Middle School. In terms of the grades, they varied. I taught everything from K through 8 technology and computers. I spent a lot of my time teaching 5th grade as well as 4th grade. And during my final year, I actually experienced 3rd grade. And I think they taught me a thing or two for sure.
All right. So I heard you ran 27 marathons.
I did. I almost lost count there for a bit, but yes.
Okay. I'm assuming you're extremely disciplined because if you ran 27 marathons, you are a disciplined athlete. How has your mindset as a runner translated to real estate and working with clients?
That's a great question. Absolutely. So I feel like as a runner, when I was training for the marathons, or better yet, running the marathon, there is a lot of dig down deep and a lot of grit involved, as you can imagine. And when it gets hard, even super hard, we know that we do have to push through. Well, in many industries, and real estate being one, it does get tricky at times. And we just need to, stay focused and be consistent and keep moving forward.
So do you run most marathons locally or do you go all over the place?
I've traveled a bit. I've been in Boston. I've been in Philly. I have been in New York City. I've been in Chicago. So I might have one more in me. We'll see.
Okay. So I'm sure the next marathon you're running, you're going to think about how you're going to market your next property, correct?
Absolutely. And I will have about 4 hours to think on that.
Good job. Good job. Okay, Tracy. So tell me, what sparked your interest for organizing a race for fertility?
I'll say it was a deeply personal quest. We had had trouble starting our family, so we did work with some sponsors and a medical facility in order to raise awareness for really infertility. So I think about that, I think about life, and I can cross that over into, again, the industry of real estate when you think about community outreach, working with the community, getting to get your brand out there, but more importantly, to get to know people and to advocate for people, for buyers and sellers.
Oh, that's amazing. Amazing. So, can you share how your time in network marketing helped you create valuable skills in the world of real estate?
Oh, that's a great question. Okay, so I do. I feel like my time within network marketing gave me the opportunity to collaborate with others, to again develop my communication skills, to develop my leadership skills. And again, I feel like that does cross over because, when we are working with that buyer or seller, again, things need to be clear, they need to be consistent. That's a team effort from beginning to end with an initial conversation to closing on a home or getting perhaps somebody into a rental, depending on the situation.
100%. 100%. Okay, so now that you and your fiance bought a home here in Flemington, New Jersey, how has that experience helped you so you now know how to advocate for your buyers?
So I would say, being that that process was so overwhelming, yet exciting and emotional, all wrapped in one, it enables me as the agent now to have that extra keen sense of how the seller or the buyer may be feeling on either end And I feel like that has supplied me with a better toolbox in terms of supporting them.
Okay. Okay. So I want everybody out there to know that if they need help buying or selling a home in New Jersey, Tracy is your gal. She is fabulous. We love her energy. And Tracy, how can we get a hold of you?
Yes, thank you. You can get a hold of me in two specific ways at my cellular number, 973-945-0557, and also via email at Tracy, Tracy, dot Fawcett, Fawcett, at cbrealty.com.
Awesome. Awesome. Thanks for joining us today. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Thank you.